Welcome to the hard reset channel. Today I'll show you how to check battery health on the HONOR X5c Plus with the help of the Ampere app. So first open Play Store and go to search section. Type on the search bar and enter Ampere. This is the app we are looking for. Press install and just wait a little. So now it's installed. Press open, press OK, and this is the field we are looking for, health. Here it says good. If it doesn't say good, consider changing your battery at the service store. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.